Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn GSP with Mahesh. Today we'll see how to provision a DataProc cluster or Hadoop cluster in simple terms using Shared VPC. So if I just click on the host project, it will show me the which project this VPC is being shared. So we understand that the host project is host-project with the number, and it has been attached to a project called as service project A. That is a thing. And you can just, with this setup, you should be able to create your cloud, Google Cloud DataProc cluster. So that's the stuff. But before creating it, if you had seen my yesterday's video where I had created an app engine flexible using shared VPC, I had to add certain roles, give certain service accounts certain roles. But when you're provisioning a DataProc cluster, you don't need to do anything. So why is that question? So if you have a question of that sort, the answer is if you come to a specific subnet and click on that subnet, on your right hand side you will see the subnet level permission. So that will answer the question for you. So if you see, there are four users, and you can ignore this user because this is the owner, and the remaining one are all service accounts. So if you just copy this and go to your service project A, and in Cloud IAM, if you just look for it, this is nothing but your default compute engine default service account. And similarly, if you wanted to know this, what is this all about, do the same thing and you will understand this is nothing but a Google API service agent, and the important thing is this is Google managed service account. So that's the indication. And the last one is more towards container registry. So since I had enabled in one of the videos for Kubernetes engine, that has also been added. So that is the whole thing. Why? Without you doing anything extra, you will be able to directly go to your DataProc cluster and choose the right region or zone, to be very specific. Let me make it as Mumbai, Mumbai A, and without doing any other adding any permissions, you will be directly able to provision your DataProc cluster. So you can leave all the default settings. I have reduced it to a lower number so that I can easily provision it because I use a free tier account, so I should not get the quota exceeded limit. So click on advanced option, and the important thing which you need to do is, as usual, I guess by this time you will be aware how to switch between the local network and the shared VPC. So there's nothing in this project because it's a service project. So select your subnet shared with this project and you should see your Mumbai subnet, and things are all good. So you can click on create. So when you click on create, your cluster will be provisioned in next 3 to 4 minutes, and you should be all good to run your Hadoop related activity or Apache Spark related activity. The most important thing which I wanted to share today was this part, the service part, the user, compute network user part, which was something not emphasized much in the previous videos. I thought let me emphasize this today. So this is because of which you are able to create virtual machines, create Kubernetes cluster also, and also create DataProc cluster also. The reason is all these things behind the scene uses compute engine, and for compute engine to work you need to have a service account. That is the whole intent. Why things become very easier when you are working with shared VPC and compute engine related stuffs. But if it is shared VPC and App Engine flexible, you need to add some additional stuffs. You need to add firewall rules, and you need to enable special users also service accounts. Yesterday we had seen that, right? So those are some additional stuffs. So let's see whether our DataProc cluster is provisioned. It's still getting provisioned. So the instance is it's taking time to get created. In the interim, because DataProc is nothing but behind the scene compute engine. So and it's a three node DataProc cluster. So if you come to your compute engine screen, you will see three virtual machines. -M indicates the master and two worker nodes. The most important thing with respect to this demo is when you click on columns and scroll to network option, the one important thing which you will see is this is using shared VPC network, primarily the Mumbai subnet because it is provisioned in Mumbai. So that's how one can use shared VPC to create a DataProc cluster. Hope the video is helpful. Please let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a video on a specific GCP concept. I'm happy to do that. Thanks for watching.